Heidi Klum, born the 1st of June 1973, is a German and American model, television host, actress, producer, and businesswoman. She appeared on the cover of the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue in 1998 and was the first German model to become a Victoria's Secret angel. Following a successful modeling career, Klum became the host and a judge of the reality shows Project Runway 2000 to 2017, 2025 present, and Germany's Next Top Model 2006 present. For her work on Project Runway, she earned an Emmy nomination in 2008 and a win in 2013 for Outstanding Host for a Reality or Reality Competition program shared with co-host Tim Gunn. Klum has also served as a judge on the NBC reality show America's Got Talent 2013 to 2018, 2020 to 2024. She has been nominated for 6 Emmy Awards. As an occasional actress, Klum has had supporting roles in movies including Blow Dry 2001 and Ella Enchanted 2004, and made cameo appearances in The Devil Wears Prada 2006, Perfect Stranger 2007, and Ocean's 8 2018. She has also made guest appearances on television shows, including Sex and the City 2001, How I Met Your Mother 2007, Desperate Housewives 2010, and Parks and Recreation 2013. Klum has worked as a spokesmodel for Danone and H&M and has appeared in numerous commercials for McDonald's, Volkswagen, and others. In 2009, she became Barbie's official ambassador on Barbie's 50th anniversary. In May 2011, Forbes magazine estimated Klum's total earnings for that year as $20 million United States dollars. She was ranked second on Forbes' list of the world's top earning models. Forbes noted that since ending her 13-year run as a Victoria's Secret angel, Klum has become more of a businesswoman than a model. In 2008, she became an American citizen while maintaining her native German citizenship. Klum was born and raised in Bergisch Gladbach, a city near Cologne, West Germany. She is the daughter of Erna Klum, a hairdresser, and Gunther Klum, a cosmetics company executive. A friend convinced her to enroll in a national modeling contest called Model 92. Out of 25,000 contestants, Klum was voted the winner on the 29th of April 1992, and she was offered a modeling contract worth 300,000 United States dollars by Thomas Zimmer, CEO of Metropolitan Models New York. After winning, she appeared on the Gottschalk Late Night Show, a German television show with host Thomas Gottschalk. She accepted the contract a few months later after graduating from school and decided not to try for an apprentice position at a fashion design school. Personal life. In 1997, Klum married stylist Rick Pepino. The couple divorced in 2002. In March 2003, Klum began a relationship with Flavio Briatore, the Italian managing director of Renault's Formula One team. In December, she announced her pregnancy. Soon after, the two split and Klum began dating the musician Seal. Klum gave birth to daughter Leanie in May 2004 in New York City. Seal was present for Leanie's birth, and according to Klum, Briatore is not involved in Leanie's life. She has stated emphatically that Seal is Leanie's father. Klum and Seal got engaged in December 2004 on a glacier in Whistler, British Columbia, and married on the 10th of May 2005 on a beach in Mexico. They have 3 biological children together. Klum officially adopted Seal's surname and became legally known as Heidi. Samuel? Soon after, in December 2009, Seal officially adopted Leanie, and her last name was changed to Samuel. During their marriage, Klum and Seal renewed their vows to one another each year on their anniversary in front of family and friends. On the 22nd of January 2012, the couple announced that they were separating after almost 7 years of marriage. She filed for divorce from Seal 3 months later on the 6th of April 2012. She also requested that her name be restored to her birth name of Heidi Klum. Their divorce was finalized on the 14th of October 2014. Klum dated her bodyguard, Martin Kirsten, from 2012 to 2014. She started dating art curator Vito Schnabel in 2014. They broke up in 2017 after 3 years of dating. In May 2018, Klum made public her relationship with Tokyo Hotel guitarist Tom Cowlitz through Instagram posts and appearances at Cannes Film Festival. The two were first romantically linked in March of the same year. On the 24th of December 2018, after approximately 1 year of dating, Klum announced on her Instagram that she and Cowlitz were engaged and posted a picture of the couple where the ring was showing with the caption, "I said yes," followed with a red heart emoji. Klum privately married Cowlitz in February 2019. The couple's wedding ceremony was held on the yacht Cristina in Italy in August 2019. In an interview with Ocean View, Klum has described herself as a nudist, stating, "I grew up very free, not hiding or feeling insecure about myself or my body. As much as I love wearing beautiful lingerie and clothes, I also love not wearing too much. It's a free feeling that I've had since being a small child growing up in Germany. I had parents that never hid from me when they changed clothing or when I walked into the room. When we would go to the beach, my mom would sunbathe topless. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.